Hello. Welcome to Easy Talk English. This is a calm English conversation. You don't need to study. You don't need to repeat. Just listen and relax. I am here with my friend. We are talking slowly and calmly.
Hello, everyone. I'm happy to be here. It is night now. The day is finished. Everything feels quiet and peaceful.
Yes, night is a good time to relax. I am sitting on my bed. I feel a little tired, but my mind is calm. I take a slow breath in and breathe out.
I feel the same. Today was a normal day. I woke up in the morning. I did my work. I talked to people. Now it is time to rest.
That's right. Learning English does not need to be hard. It can be calm. It can be easy. You are listening now, and you are improving little by little.
I like this quiet moment. Today was a normal day. Nothing special happened, but that is okay. I woke up in the morning. I had my breakfast. I did my work. I talked to people. I walked outside. Now my body is resting. My mind is resting too.
That sounds peaceful. Many people feel busy and tired at night. That is normal. Learning English does not need to be hard. It does not need to be stressful. It can be calm. It can be simple. It can be easy. You are listening now, and you are learning little by little, without pressure, without hurry. Yes.
You don't need to rush. You don't need to be perfect. Just listening is enough. Every small step matters. Every day matters.
Think about your day calmly. Maybe something went well today. Maybe something was a little difficult. That is okay. Tomorrow is another chance. Your mind can rest now. Your body can relax.
Imagine a quiet place, a soft room, a calm light. No loud noises, no rush. You can breathe slowly. You can smile gently. You can feel safe.
Yes, that's right. Learning English can be part of your calm night. You don't need to force it. You don't need to memorize. You just listen. You just relax. You just enjoy the words.
Imagine yourself waking up tomorrow, feeling a little stronger, feeling a little confident, feeling calm and ready. Every night, every calm moment helps you learn naturally.
For now, close your eyes. Breathe slowly. Let your mind be quiet. Let your body rest. You are safe. You are calm. You are improving. Thank you for listening. Good night.